after reports suggested that Disha Salian's fiance Rohan Rai had escaped and could not be traced, India Today has now accessed exclusive information that Disha's fiance is back in Mumbai and in touch with the city police. Rohan returned to Mumbai 2 days ago. Mumbai police said that Rohan is not needed in connection with Disha's death and have reiterated that they do not suspect Rohan of any wrongdoing. Sources also said that Rohan Rai is very upset with the media reports. In fact, concerning his fiancée Disha Salian's death, his parents' health has also deteriorated, is what he says. In fact, Rohan or Disha's parents may have even approached the courts against unconfirmed reports of Sushant Singh Rajput and Disha Salian's death link. Meanwhile, Mumbai police is also yet to clarify whether Disha died by suicide or accidentally fell off from her Malad flat. Now, as per the latest inputs, the police have examined CDR, CCTV footage, eyewitness statements, technical evidence, ground intelligence and medical reports. A closure report is likely to be filed in the coming days on Disha Salian's death. The Mumbai police has maintained that there is no connection between Sushant Singh Rajput and Disha Salian's death whatsoever. Cutting across to Saurabh Bakhtania joining us live for more details on that. Saurabh, here we're looking at Rohan Rai, who is Disha Salian's fiance, who's already going through his emotional turbulence after his fiance passed away. He's come back to Mumbai to try and verify and clarify with the Mumbai police his role in this entire episode. Mumbai police has made it clear that they do not suspect Rohan and he has no role to play in Disha Salian's death. Mumbai police have also said that there is no connection between Disha Salian and Sushant Singh Rajput's death. Then what is this why is this conclusive report on Disha Salian's death still not tabled? What's the reason?
Well, absolutely. This is the most important question that Mumbai police needs to answer, because when we spoke to the police officials, they said that the crime scene has already been recreated. The medical reports are already in. The CCTV footage is available with them. The CDR and also the need of all the statements which have been required in this particular case are all been examined not once, twice, but thrice. So the Mumbai police has thoroughly investigated the whole case. So what are they waiting for is the most important question. Now, as far as Rohan Rai is concerned, the fiancé of Disha Salian, they were supposed to get married after the lockdown was getting over. But before that, Disha Salian died actually by committing suicide or maybe fallen from the 12th floor of a Madad residence. Now, there were many theories which are coming in that Rohan Rai was missing. He was wanted. He may be in Mangalore as well. But the confirmed reports by the Mumbai police officials clearly says that he was nowhere in Mangalore. He was in a particular state of Gujarat where his parents are right now, and he came to Mumbai 2 days back. He also met the investigating officers of this particular case. Now, he has registered a complaint saying that he's been harassed by the media and all this WhatsApp and conspiracy theory. Tomorrow will be a very important day in this Disha Salian case where likely Disha Salian's parents are going to file a writ petition in Bombay High Court. So we are looking forward to this particular case. But as far as the Disha Salian investigations are concerned, Mumbai police claim their investigation is over, but they are yet to file closure report. We also spoke to the CBI official. They clearly said that they are right now in no mood of investigating the Disha case. They are right now only focusing Sushant Singh Rajput case. And therefore, they have not asked for any documents related to Disha Salian case by the Mumbai police.
Divyesh, thank you very much for joining us with those details on that.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.